Good morning, everybody. It is Saturday, October 28th, I believe. Yeah, October 28th. It is 8:19. We are headed on our first call of the day. Yes, I am on call this weekend. Yes, our on-call rotation is mine is every third week of the month. And it is from 8 to 4 on Saturday and Sunday. Basically, it's just a normal day, 8 to 4. Basically, we're gonna treat it like a normal day. That's our Saturdays and Sundays on call. We are headed to our first call, which is an apartment complex that says no air. We don't know what that means. It can be anything. It can be like the fan. It can be the furnace isn't turning on. Something. They usually don't give us any good descriptions at apartment complexes. They just say, hey, no heat, no cool, no air, doesn't turn on. So go take a look at it, see what's going on. I'll keep you guys updated, and y'all tag along for the ride. Alright guys, so my first call at the apartment complex got canceled. Was waiting there for an hour trying to get somebody to open the door. No answer, so we moved on to this 2-system check that we're doing here at this house. We're going up this ladder. It is a little rickety, but it works. We're basically gonna change the filter, check the functions of the furnace, make sure everything is running. It was a little hard trying to get up here, be honest with you. It was a pain with the ladder being so steep, and then me carrying my bag of tools and a filter and a light at the same time. It's kind of difficult, but we got to it. As you can see, it is a train. I believe it was from 07 or 06, so it's a fairly old system. Not in the best quality conditions. As you can see, there's the paperwork got a little toasty up there and burnt a little bit. But overall, I mean, it was a good furnace. Train makes good furnaces. I do struggle trying to take these doors off of trains. I don't know why. Why can't they just put screws in it, or even the thumb screws? They work great. So I have to, every single time I come up to one of these trains, I have to pry it open. It's just, if somebody has a tip out there, let me know on how to open these furnaces up. These doors suck. So now I am going to jump R and W on the furnace, make that furnace turn on instead of going over to the thermostat. I am also going to change the filters that the owner provided. Alright, so we gotta check the functions of the furnace. Alright, so we jumped R and W. Make a jump. We've got flame, fire. We're going to check amperage on our inducer motor. What happened? 1.28. .6 on the inducer motor. Looks good. Now we are going to take our flame sensor and clean it out. Got our flame sensor right here. Take our Scotch-Brite. You can also take a dollar bill and clean it up. In the hole. Put our screw back in. Boom. We can retest it. Make sure everything is running good. Remember to always, after you clean something or switch something, to always go back and turn it back on to make sure the operations of it are good. All right, let's see what we got. We have a Linux. Where did I leave my tablet? Oh no, I think I left it upstairs. Probably. Change this filter out. Okay. Changed. Dun, dun, dun. We are going to jump W and R. Change the amperages. So we're headed back to the house now. It's time to go home, eat dinner, shower, you know, hang out with the family, and basically wake up and do it again tomorrow.